Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Yelda. I'm from Afghanistan. I'm 16 years old. I just came here 1 year ago. My hobbies are sometimes drawing, painting, and programming. So my subject is Let Them Talk. It's about women's rights. This idea comes from my country. Afghanistan is the only country that women are not allowed to go work, education. They are not allowed to go to school, and even they can't leave house without a man. I used Photoshop and a little bit illustration. I'm sad about my country, the women that they are stay on there. I'm good, I'm happy, but sometimes I just feel sad about them.
After we see your postures, like how we can stand up to women's rights. I want to know how we can do some actions.
After they see my poster, I just want to express my feeling. I want people to know about Afghanistan. I want people to stand for the women's right and their freedom.
My name is Feroz. I came from Eritrea, but I live in Canada with Manitoba. I go to N.E.E.D.S college. I am grade 12. In my free time, I would like to receive motivational speech and doing math. I want to talk to you about the beauty in our different colors that make up the diversity and inclusiveness. And I'm here today with my poster which says Grow Together. But before I start, I have a clip of song I want you to listen and enjoy. And the title says We Are the World. This is my poster. I use three kind of color: red, yellow, and black. I use red color because it represents courage and love, and the yellow one is represent for hope, and the black represent for power. And the stones embrace each other to make a strong and beautiful design. It doesn't matter where each came from; they all link one others. There are different sizes, shapes, and colors, but the important thing is they are all stones. We all have different religions, languages, beliefs, and colors, but we belong together.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Ukraine. I grade 9. In free time, I like drawing, play volleyball, and listen to music. When I grow up, I want to work at graffiti design maybe, and it's like my dream. Title of my poster is Listen Her Heart. In this project, I use illustration and typography. So I just draw everything what did you see in this poster, but I use a little bit typography. In this project, I want to talk more about respect and what it's your life and it's your choice. I want to show you people close your eyes in your don't respect you, don't respect your choice, what you want, and they close your eyes what you want to do. It's not there, it's you live with this choice, not they. So I want to tell what you need to respect your choice, not their choice, because you live with this choice, not they.
I'm Lolia. I'm from Eritrea. I came to Canada 2019. I'm a student at St. John's High School, and my hobbies are listening to music and playing soccer on my free time. My theme is a question and says, is it inappropriate to identify a person by their skin color? And the reason I put the question is because I want to get an answer from others and myself too. When you see the picture, some people might see the colors and some people might see specifically the person, that there is a person in that picture, that we don't have to identify a person by their skin color. I want people to think before they speak so that others doesn't have to get hurt, even themselves too.
My name is Saval Peksada. I'm from Afghanistan and I graduated from Tashkent University Railway Engineering. And my poster is about the women's right. I want to talk the women's right. I just want women's right equals with men's women can do something they want. They are facing many problems, especially with their families. And some of girls can work outside. Their family doesn't let them to work at night. But boys can do something they want. They can go outside at night whenever they want. And when a girl's sexually assaulted, in this case, the woman is blamed, not the man. It looks like the girls doesn't have a feelings.
So you think that there is a huge difference between men and women in your country. So that's why you want to make a poster regarding women's rights, right?
Yeah, they should behave with us like a human. Girls, they have some goals. They wanna achieve them. They wanna do something for herself. I wanna study about the law.